Hello everyone. I will show you a strategy that is very easy to use, has a very low risk of loss, and has a high profit potential. In fact, if you watch the video until the end, I will show you another strategy as a gift. Let's integrate our indicators into the chart and optimize their settings right away. The trading rules are very simple. For a long position, the first requirement is for the green candlestick to cross above the upper black line of the high, low yesterday indicator and close above it. At the same time, the water explosion indicator should show a green bar above its own moving average line. This confirms the entry signal. The initial target is a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. As you can see, after achieving a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, we aim for a very high profit based on our strong strategy. However, the price retraced back to the entry point after reaching our initial target. Nonetheless, we close this trade with a profit. After closing the previous trade, the conditions for a long position have formed again. We are entering another trade. It was a perfect trade. We made a fantastic profit. The rules for a short position are essentially the same. The red candlestick should cross below the lower black line of the high, low yesterday indicator. Additionally, the water explosion indicator should form a red bar above its own moving average line. I'm confident that you have easily learned the rules of this amazing strategy. Now, let's look at a few examples in succession to reinforce our understanding. Please stay tuned to the video, because witnessing the profit-loss ratio from these examples will be enlightening. After these examples, I will show you a different yet equally simple trading strategy. If you enjoy my educational videos, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's continue. As you can see, this trade hit our stop-loss level. Please remember that in trading financial assets, there can never be a 100% success rate. The real goal is to consistently make profitable trades that outweigh the losses. I am trying to teach you this reality through my channel. And as you can see, after closing the trade with a loss, we achieved a 1 to 4.5 profit ratio in the next trade. The key to success lies in patience, discipline, and a strong strategy. And now, I will show you another effective strategy. We will remove the high, low yesterday indicator from our chart and replace it with the parabolic SAR indicator. The usage of this strategy is also quite simple. Let's start by looking at an example of a short position. Firstly, the parabolic SAR indicator should move above the price. This is a sell signal, but we need two more confirmations to enter the trade. This will increase our probability of profit. Please watch attentively. For the first confirmation, we draw a support line from the last buy signal of the parabolic SAR indicator to the right, and we wait for the red candlestick to close below this support line. Our expectation has been met. Now, we will open a trade at the closing level of this red candlestick. I'm setting my target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. However, the profit and loss targets should be determined based on the trader's preference. There is no strict rule for this decision. And finally, let's look at an example of a long position. All the conditions have been met. With the first parabolic SAR buy signal, we drew the resistance line to the right from the last sell signal, and at the same time, the water adder explosion indicator closed above its own moving average line.